Ever accidentally deleted an important file and then realized you need it back? Don't worry. Hey everyone, Josh here from Stellar, and I'm back to help you out. In this video, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted files using various methods, including professional recovery software. So let's dive in. First things first, let's check that recycle bin. If you just deleted a file, there's a good chance it's still there. Simply open the recycle bin, locate your file, right-click, and select Restore. This will return the file to its original location. What if you've emptied the recycle bin, or used Shift+Delete to remove the file? Don't worry, we still have more solution. If you have file history or a system backup enabled on your computer, you can restore your deleted files easily. Go to Control Panel, File History, Restore Personal Files, browse for the missing file, and click Restore. If you use cloud storage like Google Drive or OneDrive, check your account's trash or version history for older copies of the file. Another built-in feature in Windows is previous versions. Right-click the folder where your file was stored. Click Restore Previous Versions and see if an older version of the file exists. If you find one, simply restore it, and your deleted file will be back. But what if none of these methods work? That's where professional recovery software like Stellar Data Recovery comes in. This software can recover permanently deleted files even after emptying the recycle bin or formatting a drive. Step 1. Select the type of data to recover. Open Stellar Data Recovery and choose the type of data you want to recover. Documents, photos, videos, or select all data. Step 2. Select the drive for scanning. Next, select the drive where your file was deleted and click Scan. The software will perform a quick scan to look for recoverable files. Step 3. Deep scan for better results. If the file isn't found in the quick scan, use Deep Scan for a more thorough search. This might take longer but increases the chances of recovery. Step 4. Preview and recover your file. Once the scan is complete, preview the files and select the ones you want to restore. Click Recover and save them to a different drive to avoid overwriting data. And that's it. We've covered multiple ways to recover permanently deleted files, from simple methods like checking the recycle bin to advanced recovery using Stellar Data Recovery software. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you successfully recovered your files. See you in the next video.